What's good, Wealthbuilderz System, man? It's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, back again with another video. Alright, so I want to talk about a little life hack that I realized that people don't really understand, and if they do understand it, they probably don't even know that they do it. So it's best bet to know what you're doing, right? That's so you can do it all the time and not know, you know what I'm saying, not do happenstance, not happen to do it. So basically, the lesson I'm talking about, or what I'm trying to convey to y'all, is that you need to learn your lessons. You need to learn your lesson, right? Everything is a lesson. Every mistake, every win, every fail, every loss, every time you succeed in something, all these things have one thing in common. They're all lessons. Either they teach you how to win more, or they teach you how to lose less. So either way, you win it. If you get what I mean, right? So basically, like, if you do something and you get it, you get in trouble for it, you fail, you don't succeed, you're not successful in that attempt. So the next attempt, you should have learned from the past for your next attempt, if that makes sense. So let's break it down to real life things. Okay, so let's say you go to an interview and you don't get the job, right? And they tell you, hey, you're qualified, but you might be overqualified. You think you'll get bored with this job. This job is not for you, right? So then, what do you learn from that? How do you learn a lesson from that? Well, you learn that that you should be looking for better jobs. B, maybe you should dumb down your resume if you really just want that job. Or C, you just say to yourself, I'm gonna keep applying. There's only a few things you can learn from this situation. Those are the few things you can learn from that situation. If your girl cheats on you and she tells you because she got bored in a relationship, okay, interesting. All right, so boom, the next relationship you're in, you got to make sure the female you're with is on some type of girl where she doesn't get bored easily. She's not the type of girl or female to get bored easily. She's, one of those people where she doesn't get bored fast and she likes just routine behavior. Then that's the type of girl you should go for, right? Right. Now, if you didn't learn your lesson, you don't learn your lesson, and you go ahead and go after another girl with the same attitude as your last girl, then it's gonna end up in the same way because you haven't learned your lesson. So now you think you can change people, but who they are is who they came, right? As they came. So I say all that to say, if you learn your lessons the first time, your life can move forward faster if you just keep learning your lessons. Now, if you don't keep learning your lessons, if you don't learn from your mistakes, if you don't learn from your failures, if you don't learn from even the times that you win, you're going to struggle. You're going to struggle more, right? And it might be in different departments too. It might be in different departments of your life. Like, you might learn your lessons in relationships, but you might not learn your lessons when you are at work. You might not learn your lesson at business, but you learn your lessons when parenting. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's going to be different things in your life where you struggle at, depending how fast you learn your lessons. So that's my life hack. The faster you learn your lesson, the quicker and better off your life will be. Okay? The quicker you will succeed and the better off your life will be. That's just how I feel. I mean, if you feel different or if you agree, leave a comment below. I would love to hear your comments on this topic. Until next time, Wealth Builders, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, signing on for my life hack. Learn your lessons. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more.